Hey, it's Jonathan. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this video finds you in good fortune. If you like to buy the bottom, sell the top, make money in the middle, make sure you give me a like, subscribe, watch the video to the end. All these things I appreciate. Um, anyway, today I want to talk about the pillars of creation metaverse. And pillars, I made a video covering their release of their 2D planets. This is a really neat project. I think it has some potential here. What you want to do is they released 2D planets, and you combine the 2D planets to make 3D planets. Um, this not only gives you a planet, but it gives you a spot in their metaverse. They've just released their map here, showing different locations in their metaverse and where the planets are going to be located. Um, so if you have a 2D planet, then on the 15th, they're going to be combining these planets. These is when the fusion is going to take place, where the planets are going to be fused on the 15th of March, so in a couple days. And you just need to make sure that you have your planets in your wallet, and put all your planets in one wallet. So you got 3D planets here, and you want to post your wallet address in 3D planets. If you don't feel like posting your wallet in 3D planets on their Discord, then incidentally, I have a link to their Discord on my Discord. Make sure you, if you're in my Discord, or if you're going to join my Discord, make sure you follow that link so that you know that they know that we're supporting them, right? So make sure you follow that link to their Discord. So anyway, the 3D planets here is where you want to post your address, and if you don't post it there, if you don't feel comfortable, then you can DM. You can DM them, so you can DM them your wallet address so that it's kept private, right? So anyway, so it's going to happen on the 15th. Make sure you get all your planets in the same wallet, and all your 2D planets in the same wallet, so you get that 3D planet. Some of the planets, this is the picture of the metaverse down here, but some of the planets are going to be animated and have ambient music and glowing. So it's kind of a random thing. You can still pick planets up on the JPEG store. Planets are going for, let's see, there's a web address, or there's our website. Let's see. The floor price on planets are 65 ADA, and you have to have two of the same element. So you see the history back here. You got some of them going for 85, 45. You got some on here for 150, 130. So, but floor place is 65. There's only one earth on there. You can pick up a fire element, diamond, sand. So you got to pick up two of them to create it and hold it in the same wallet by the 15th. There's a couple ADA elements on there as well. So anyway, or no, there's one ADA element. Okay. So anyway, that's that project. Make sure you check their Discord out, and check their website out. They have a pretty neat website here. It tells you about the project. I did a video a while ago. Make sure you check that out. They have a decent team, and these are some custom planets that early adopters are going to pick up. So there's some early adopter planets, right? Kind of cool looking. So, and I think there's going to be different things like resources on each planet's going to have resources and all that kind of stuff. So it's going to be pretty neat. There's their galaxy map, and it tells you about the different sectors. So make sure you check them out. All right, thought you might be interested in this project, and y'all are beautiful. I'll see you next time.